Hi, I'm Tasha with Pathways to Peace Counseling. I want to introduce another game to you. This one is called Soothe Your Soul. And so this is a coping skills game, but it's very heavy on CBT. So the game board looks like this. It's got a spa theme. So it's all about relaxation and learning how to calm your body when you start to get over stimulated. So the different cards, the first one is called Mental Escape. So these cards focus on visualization. Like imagine your worries shrinking smaller and smaller until they disappear. Is it helpful to think of scary things as being small? Or imagine flying through the air. Where would you go? Imagine yourself in a bubble bath with candles glowing beside you. You hear soft, gentle music playing. How can this scene calm your nerves? So these are all just different visualization skills that they can use to just kind of wherever they are, just close their eyes and imagine themselves in a calm, serene place. And that should help bring down that fight or flight response to help them gain control of their emotions again. So the next set is called Talk It Out. So this is the flower one. And these are all about communication skills, like reaching out to help, to have somebody talk you through it whenever you're feeling upset. We all know that you can drill coping skills all you want to, but whenever the time comes and you have a panic attack coming or your fight or flight response is going berserk, it is really helpful to have somebody who can sit beside you and walk you through it and say, hey, talk to me about what's going on. What is it that you need to feel better? How about you take some slow, deep breaths? But having somebody coach them through it can really help. So these are all just different communication skills. Like make an I statement. I statements always begin with the words I feel. Like I feel happy when you talk nice to me, or I feel angry when you yell at me. Why is it important to calm down before talking things out? That's another good thing that kids need to learn, is that whenever you try to talk things out while your fight or flight response is going, it is really hard to stay calm and make sense because you're so defensive and you're focused on your own emotions. You can't really be empathetic towards others. So it's important to get calm and then talk about things later. So anyway, there's 12 different questions about communication. The next one is relax your body. So this one goes into a lot of progressive relaxation. And so some of them are progressive relaxation, some are deep breathing exercises, but just different ideas of things that they can do to calm their body and relax whenever they have been stressed out. And finally, coping strategies. These are the cucumbers. And these are just a bunch of different ideas of how to process emotion, how to distract yourself if you have intrusive thoughts, different things that can bring everything down a notch or two to make you feel more in control. So one question is, how can journaling let out your emotions? Another one is, what is your favorite outdoor game to play? So these would just be different ideas of things that they can do to calm self whenever they're feeling out of control. And so it's just a basic coping skill game, but I love cognitive behavioral therapy because, I mean, you could talk all day about different distractions and different kinds of coping skills, but until they learn how to control their thoughts, the same problems are going to keep coming back. So the ultimate goal that I have for my kids is to teach them how to take control of their thoughts, how to rescript, modify self-talk so that they can gain control. And so I really push that in all of my games so that they're not just playing a game and learning a skill, but they are really learning how to take control of their thoughts, which will help them control their emotions, which in turn is going to help them have better behavior. Thank you much for listening.